Today I'm going to be reviewing MaryRuth's Multivitamin Hair Growth with Biotin and Lustriva. I'd like to thank MaryRuth's Organic for sending this to me to review. Now, I just tried this and I know it's for women. I'm praying to God this works for a man. I've got the peach mango one is the one they sent me. It's palatable. I heard people say it's delicious. I'm not going to lie to you. I did not think it was delicious, but it's palatable. It's medicine. It's a vitamin. So that's not going to stop me from taking this. They claim thicker, fuller hair, which is exactly what I need it for, and some other stuff in there, wrinkles, lines, stuff like that. People are pretty happy with this, and it looks like they're getting results. If you just look at the reviews, most people are happy. There aren't really too many complaints, which is what I like to see. And you know this is true and that it does pretty well, and people are happy with it because it's got 4.5 stars. Now, I normally like to see 4.4, so it beats that. So I'd like to see that. It's got 13,936 ratings. Last month, this is unbelievable. I don't see many products that sell this much. October 2025, 60,000 of these. So people are buying this and they're pretty happy with it. It's also the #1 bestseller. So obviously it does really well. I don't know if this is going to end up working for me. But I'm going to also show it to my wife, and I'm sure she's going to start taking it, and I'll keep you updated with how well this does for me. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.